For the month of November, we studied mushrooms, fungus, flowerless plants, and more. Follow us through some of our adventures, videos, and fun. Here we are.
Poking mushrooms, and their
Spores
came out. They're green, like bright green. Yeah, it was like green smoke, neon green. Brown, pear-shaped puffballs. They were brown circles. Last time we sold them, they were white though. Yeah, they were white and they were like cracking. Yeah. Last time we sold them, they were white though. Yeah, they were white and they were like cracking. Yeah. It means the plant's dying, so it shows the mushrooms. And it gets more skin. And then it explodes and the spores go everywhere. Did you like this part? And create mushrooms. Its top is its cap, its gills, and its stem. Now let's see if we can make a spore explosion. No organisms were harmed in the filming of this video. Voila! Studying mushrooms can be so much fun. Be sure to always have an adult with you and a positive identification to avoid touching poisonous ones.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them below. We hope you'll come back to see our next video. And if you liked it, be sure to give us a thumbs up before we go. Goodbye for now, friends.
It explodes and the spores go everywhere. Did you like this part? And create mushrooms.
This one just test.
You only see mushrooms when
The plant underground is dying.
So interesting.
Because it reveals itself.
The
organism.
fruiting body.
Oh, fruiting body.
Yeah.
Sunshine.